In this video, we'll show you the right and secure way to pack and label your duffel bag for shipping, ensuring maximum safety during transit. Start by wrapping the packed duffel bag securely with cling film. Let us understand the reason for wrapping the duffel bag. 1. Wrap a duffel bag in cling film or plastic wrapping, so the straps don't get caught as they move through the network or conveyor belt. 2. If it's not wrapped, the loose straps might make it seem larger to the scanner, and it will measure it as a larger item. And 3rd, to prevent any damage during transit. After booking on our website, you'll receive 2 documents, the Airwaybill label for tracking, and the Commercial Invoice for shipment processing. Fold the Airwaybill label neatly so all key details stay visible, especially the tracking number and address, for smooth scanning and handling. Secure it firmly using strong brown packing tape. Tape all 4 sides properly to protect the label from tearing, peeling off, or getting lost during shipping. After fixing the label, wrap the bag once again with cling film. This additional protective layer keeps the label safe from moisture and rough handling. Finally, reinforce the outer wrapping with brown tape for extra security, especially around the seams. This makes your package tamper-proof and ready for safe dispatch. And that's it. Hand over the labeled bag and the commercial invoice to the delivery agent. For hassle-free shipping, subscribe and visit Get My Parcel today.